I'm Luke with MarineMax of Pensacola, and today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of our Harris 230 cruiser. We're going to start at the transom of the boat where we have a Mercury 200 4-stroke on the back of this baby. Coming up, you do have the sun pad seating here with the switchback seat. This will also fold all the way down. Coming up a little further on the boat, you do have dual captain seats on this model. Now over at the helm of the boat, you do have a JL audio head unit and the Simrad Go 7. You also have wireless charging with inputs for your radio and another charger right there. Under the helm storage is always an option. Now coming forward, you do have the dual loungers on both sides with plenty of seating and chargers and cup holders for everyone. Come by, check this boat out here in MarineMax Pensacola, and like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.